How to get rid of carpenter ants. Only the carpenter ant, out of the 12,000 known species of ants, has the power to completely demolish your home from the inside out. Carpenter ants are among the biggest ants in the United States, therefore their size, which ranges from ½ an inch to 5/8 of an inch, is one method to distinguish them from other ant species. They are difficult to eradicate because they build their nests in damp wood. Carpenter ants don't consume the wood in the same manner as termites do, rather they chew and excrete it to create paths for their tribe. Because their queens may live for up to 25 years, the colony has the potential to do significant harm to any wooden building. Thankfully, there are several all-natural options available to help you rid your home of these pests. The first step in getting rid of carpenter ants is to create a bait that will assist you in locating the nest. Nests can be found inside or outside of your home, but if you notice carpenter ants in late winter or early spring, they are most likely building nests inside. Setting out a small amount of honey or jam can help, since the sweetness of the jam will attract an ant, allowing you to follow it back to its nest. Also, keep an eye out for ant colonies in any wood trash or wood piles. Work on eradicating the ants' scent trails once you've found the nest. Because carpenter ants rely on pheromone trails to find food, thoroughly cleaning these trails will prevent them from being picked up by other carpenter ants. 1. Use cinnamon. Carpenter ants despise cinnamon. The cinnamon will disrupt their scent track, preventing them from finding food and returning to the nest, and serves as a natural ant repellent. If you want to get even better results, mix some essential oil into the cinnamon powder so that it has a stronger fragrance and keeps the ants away. 2. Essential oils. Add an essential oil such as lemongrass, peppermint, cedarwood, orange, tea tree, clove or lemon oil and a carrier oil to a spray bottle. Then, spray the mixture around windowsills, baseboards, countertops and door frames. 3. White vinegar solution. Mixing a solution of 50% white vinegar and 50% water is an excellent technique to get rid of ants. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle that has a misting setting and spray directly on the ants' path and their entry point. A stronger mixture, or even pure white vinegar, will be more effective, but the vinegar smell will be harsher as well. 4. Baking soda and powdered sugar. An ant bait made of baking soda and powdered sugar can be used to kill carpenter ants. Place this mixture near the areas where the most ants congregate. The ants are naturally attracted to the powdered sugar in the mix, while the baking soda kills them. 5. Diatomaceous earth. The use of food-grade diatomaceous earth is another natural technique to eliminate carpenter ants. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is a natural insecticide derived from crushed algal fossils. It's an abrasive substance that will harm an ant's exoskeleton, subsequently killing them. Distribute it evenly among the problem regions and, if feasible, directly onto the colony's nest. 6. Boiling water. If the carpenter ant nest is outside, there is a natural way to directly harm the ant colony. Boil a few liters of water and then carefully pour it directly into the nest. Adding aromatic oils and soap can also improve the effectiveness of the water. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.